I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Delta PLC model and firmware. This matters because slot addresses depend on CPU type. Once done, power down the unit and use ESD protection. Don't skip grounding. Next, identify the extension module part number and required supply voltage. Make sure DIP switches or jumpers are set to match the intended slot address. These first actions remove guesswork and keep the hardware safe, so you can proceed with confident, correct installation. You now mount the extension module into the selected backplane slot and secure the latches. Alignment pins should guide it into place. Then connect the bus ribbon or field bus cable, confirming pin orientation and tightening connector screws to the recommended torque. After that, route the I/O wiring. Keep power and signal lines separate to reduce noise. Label each terminal with its slot ID and channel number so you avoid confusion during commissioning. These careful actions prevent common connection and noise. Power the PLC and open Delta's programming software. Add the new module in the hardware configuration so addresses match the physical slot. Once you download configuration to the CPU, run diagnostics and watch channel status LEDs for faults. If a device fails, check bus continuity and connector seating, confirm DIP switch settings, and ensure cable shields are terminated. These quick checks resolve most problems. Finally, document the module ID and test I/O with known signals to verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.